So, when we bump up into something that triggers our vulnerability, it can bring up feelings of shame and embarrassment. And that is certainly true for something like overeating. So, it's human nature that when you're bumping up into something that is touching that, like, ouch, I feel embarrassed about this, I feel vulnerable about this, and not wanting then to kind of go like this and not want to share it with others, that then the solution, how you attempt to heal it, is to go like this. And to go like this, where you're trying to suppress it and stuff it and contain it. And so those are strategies that are usually based with some sort of willpower-based approach or control, or where you're trying really, really, really hard to do the right thing. And so there might be this frantic search where you're reading nutrition books and where you're trying to understand, oh, these are the right things that I need to do. And then it's just a matter of applying myself and doing them. That's certainly what I did. And what I found was it doesn't work. Because all that effort to try to contain and control, and in many ways hide, it's like you're trying to hurry up and eradicate the overeating as quickly as you can so that you can move from here, where you're overeating and feeling a little bit embarrassed, to here, where you're not overeating and you're feeling more lovable and more whole and more okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. It's not like you can separate the journey into good and bad or right or wrong, or separate yourself into that. So rather than a control approach or a cut it out approach, it's like where you're hacking off the overeating or hacking off the part of you that wants to overeat, with a compassion-based approach. And through a space of compassion, what you're doing is you're taking that box and you're going like this. And rather than trying to control the overeating and control the cravings that are leading you to overeat, it's a process of opening to them, opening to the emotions that are underneath, because there are always emotions and needs that are underneath the overeating. It's opening to a space of understanding and then unwinding what's driving you to seek out the food, the binge in the first place.